sees any dogs humping each other, he's like, stop! Stop this right now!
Not just dogs.
What?
Like other pets.
Arthur. Okay, I'm just gonna start sliding them over to you. We got Tapple.
So you're wiping them to slide them on the dirty floor.
Where would you like me to put them?
On top of where you have all your trash.
Well, this is a trash bin right here.
I'm glad we have that established.
Do we need these? We gotta go through these. I think these are dominoes.
I mean, open it for a second.
This is where my allergies get really bad, chat.
Well, to be fair, I don't want anything that's like a dust collector. On God.
Well, we're gonna put these in boxes. For game night, Arthur.
Well, yeah, no, obviously.
Oh, this is not.
Ooh,
this
gamba.
This is poker.
A poker set.
Do we keep it?
Duh. What do you mean, do we keep the poker set?
Okay, so all of a sudden you care about the poker set.
No, but one night maybe we play some poker.
I don't know how to play poker.
No, Lady Gaga.
Poker is based.
Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face.
Is my wiping not good enough for you, Arthur?
No, it is, but I'm just getting, you know, once is good, twice is better.
Okay.
That's right.
Now we have incoherent.
I literally have this one still. Oh my God, did your hand shake like that?
Huh?
You were like,
It says you.
okay. I was born this way.
I was born this way, baby. You really love Lady Gaga. This is called Chameleon.
That's right.
Ooh, I love this game. I've never played it. It's still in the pack. Oh God. Holy dust. I love this game as I pull it out of
Never
years
opened.
of dust. This is Scrabble.
Wow.
I just know you'd piss me off in Scrabble.
Chad, what's your favorite game?
Because you would be making up words that don't even exist.
That's not true. I just have a very broad vocabulary.
Chad, I have you guys right here. How long before Cats gets into one of those boxes? They've already tried.
They be trying actively.
I wonder what the cats are going to think of the new house. Ooh, I have a puzzle. Look, it's a cat puzzle.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, Arthur, look.
I'm looking. Wow.
I have an Xbox.
What? Wait, you have an Xbox? What the fuck?
Yeah. But should we give this away?
No. What?
It's not that, it's an old one.
Okay, so.
It's old.
Okay, okay. You would like. This generation, they just like to throw away everything. Look how.
It's not throwing away, it's giving away.
Look how much dust it collected.
I know.
This poor Xbox. Which Xbox is this? Is it Xbox One?
Back there.
This is an Xbox One console.
Oh, that's one of the new ones.
Well, it's not new, but it's like still semi.
Between Us Girls, made for girls by girls.
Sounds kind of freaky.
You're not a girl, you wouldn't get it. We have Family Feud.
I never knew how to pronounce this. I would always say Family Feud. Oh my holy dust.
I know it's really bad. I'll be dead.
I think I need
And my favorite that I am now doing with Arthur is the game of life.
Wow.
Have you ever played this game?
Yes. Long time ago though.
I love this game.
In German. Bro, I was a child when I first played this.
You know what was my favorite?
You're my favorite.
When I would go to my Mima's house.
Oh my God, okay, hold on. This is so satisfying. Chat, this is so satisfying. I have to take you for this. Look at this. Look at how perfect it's fitting. Ah! It literally fit perfectly.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Jumble Towers, which I don't know, did I ever write on these? Oh, I did.
I'm telling you, Chad enjoys this as well. It's a little things in life.
iPhone's drink. This is drunk Jenga. iPhone's drink.
Okay, we literally have a big Jenga. I mean, if you want to keep it.
No,
keep
this
it.
is nice because it's small. No, but yours is Valentine's Day Jenga. It's like suck each other's toenails. This is Go Again. This one is Everyone Drinks.
Wow.
This is to get you drunk.
Dude, look at these cats.
2 truths, 1 lie.
Wow. Look, here we have Julia just sitting on the floor. But then we have the cats. They're like, this box isn't a box yet, but I still enjoy this box. This box is making me very comfortable. I really enjoy myself laying on this box.
What?
Isn't it like weird that cats like enjoy stuff like that?
When I very first got my first cat, when I was in college, I remember I went and bought her a bunch of toys.
Yes.
Just for her to play with a green bean that I was later, like I spent hundreds of dollars on like all of these little cat toys and little robo things and a little mouse that runs around on the floor. And then I set them all up for her and I went to go cook dinner and all she did the entire night was play with a green bean.
Wow.
There's a bunch of Uno cards, but
no, the Uno cards throw away because if you don't have all of them, if any of them are missing, it's like GG's 07.
For whatever reason, Chowder loves to. Do you mind bringing me the? But you
want to throw this away? This.
Yeah, it's broken in the back.
Nothing's gonna make us.
I need the vacuum really bad.
Yeah. Chat, cover your ears.
This is the sexy new vacuum that Arthur gave me.
Cam is moving so much. Okay.
Is it?
I don't know, somebody said that. Wow.
I'm using it in a very dumb way, but.
Wow. Ooh, look how quiet it is as well. Ooh.
I know some people were like, you gave Julia a vacuum for Christmas.
Oh yeah, people were like hella judging.
I know, I was like, that's what I wanted. Hello? Do you see this? Look how satisfying. Well, chat can't see it and I don't want them to see it because.
Yeah, that's embarrassing. I'm joking. You know I am. Maybe I like making you like a little bit mad, just like a tiny bit, not too much, because you then make eye contact with me. And you remind me how beautiful your eyes are.
Yeah, it's threatening. I love this thing. And then chat, you put it on the little stand.
Okay, but.
And it sucks it.
Hold on. We might as well, you know, collect. At least like a little bit, so when we walk around, we don't make it like.
You make me look incompetent.
We don't have to go like crazy with it, but an extra 5 seconds goes a long way. 5 seconds goes a long way.
As you start doing the entire house.
No, I'm just doing like a little bit.
Well, at least get the area where I'm sitting.
Yeah, I am.
This is why I couldn't breathe yesterday.
Look how much it's like up on top again.
I know.
Just because it's like floating everywhere.
Well, I'm not really too worried about deep cleaning right now.
No, it's just to...
Anything that goes into a box needs to be cleaned, but... Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Miss Keelylicious. There is a lot going on.